Hello, I'm just doing a quick thing here. I spent about 5, maybe 10 minutes at the most collecting these little avocado remains. Each one of these will not grow up to be a baby guacamole or guacamole. These are all baby guacamoles. Not get a chance to grow up to be guacamole. We've had a nice windstorm here in San Diego the past night or so. Still going on. And that tree is not looking good in this wind. Lots of broken branches. And it looks like we're going to lose a lot of avocados in this windstorm. That's the breaks. Wonder how they do in the mountains, where the avocado groves are. So winds are a lot higher up there. Just imagine their losses. This is just for one tree. And I could go around and pick up a whole lot more if I look for them. Backyard's covered in leaves. Dead branches. Well, these won't be guacamole.